how to add follow button on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add the follow button on Facebook. So simply open up the Facebook application on your phone, and then once you guys have opened up the Facebook applications on your phone, then over here simply click on the bottom right on menu, and then from over here simply click on settings and privacy from over here. Now once you click on that, click on settings once again, and then now click on profile settings. Now once you guys do that, you guys are going to see so many different options in front of you guys. Simply click on public posts, and then from over here you guys are going to see the first option, which is going to be who can follow me. So from over here change it to public, and then this is going to give the option for every single person on Facebook to basically be able to follow you and become your follower. So that is how you guys can add in a follow button on your Facebook account in just a few seconds. So guys, this is the whole process. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.